I have, I think 4 buck, but the 4th one is missing. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. And the 4th one went back in the woods, so I didn't get to get it. I might have had a picture of it. So it looks like we got, I think they're all little though. He's a big one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clearly see 4 points. I think they're all 8 points. No, okay. So that one's a 8-point rate, the closest, and the other ones are 6. So he's a 6. Here's a better picture. And the one all the way in the back is a 6. I don't think I can zoom. Oh, okay, I can. Oh, and there's the 4th one. I can't tell. I think he might be... One, 2, 3. I think he might be an 8.2. So I got 2 8 points and 2 6 points. They're enjoying our backyard. Goodness gracious. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he moved too quick. So yeah. That's fun. Oh, they're coming back. If you hear pounding, that's Linnea. She's supposed to be napping. Clearly, she's not napping. So, yeah. Anyways, so 4 buck all in my backyard. Enjoying my shrubs. Okay, bye.